Hello friends. We were in friend's car sending us to train station, and from there we'll be heading to Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital city of Netherlands. Alright, let's join me for a walking tour. This city is situated in the north of Holland. The name Amsterdam is probably originated from the river, if not mistaken, is Amstel River. You see, and the dam is because the river is used as a dam to control flooding in the city. You can see many canals here in the city center with population of around 900,000. Quite populous, huh? And in a city like this in Europe, is considered a populous city. Historic canals is one of the main attractions here in Amsterdam. Yes, the characteristic of Amsterdam, very popular indeed, is cycling. There are plenty of bicycles. In case you'd like to come here, this is the name of the bridge. One of the fun facts is cannabis are sold legally in here. You will not be surprised to smell it almost everywhere in Amsterdam. And prepare to change all your outfits when you get back to your hotel room. If you don't like it, okay? But honestly, I don't like the smell. It smells like dog's poo. Oops. Sorry, but I respect those who like it, so I just pretend that I like it by holding my breath when I saw some people passing by smoking cannabis. Numerous biking tracks and lanes throughout the entire city. This is another bridge. It was in the early spring of 2022, in early April, so you may not see too many tulips yet, and the trees are still with no leaves. But it was a pleasant walk with this type of weather, not too warm and not too cold. I have to say that this city is a very pedestrian friendly one, and it's not too big for you to walk the whole city in few hours. Like for us, we walk from morning to late afternoon. A relaxed walk, of course. Including lunch and dinner, plus taking a boat ride for general perspective of Amsterdam. So now I'm bringing you for a close-up views of the city. By the way, at this time, while we in Germany and in many parts of European Union countries were still holding quite strict restrictions of COVID-19, But 1 month before we arrived Netherlands, it's already dismissed wearing mask rules in this city, especially in closed areas and public transportations. Narrow houses with gabled facades. Heritage house built in 1606. For me, it's quite a romantic city too, and the world called it the Venice of the North. Just sharing with you friends, wherever I travel to, I'd always want to try once or twice for Asian meals. So we are heading to a Chinese restaurant in city center for dim sum. Here is the vegan food sold. And my husband searched online. This restaurant is not bad, he said. We ordered some traditional appetizers. I'm motivating him to hold chopsticks, and he loves roast duck. Enjoy your lunch, darling.
Thank you, Andy.
And I'm going for a vegan dim sum. I miss it, of course, because there is no dim sum restaurant in the town where we live in Germany. Quite authentic and delicious. I'd give a rating of 4/5 for this restaurant. This is glutinous rice ball stuffed with red bean paste. Love the taste of sesame and its chewy skin. We continued our walking tour after dinner, and we would like to have a boat ride. Of course, it's a tourist boat ride to have general views of this beautiful city. And if you are already in Amsterdam city center, you may also visit the Chinatown. It's quite similar with the Chinatown in London, I may say. So where should we wait? Go down and wait, right?
Yeah, on the left side.
Thanks for watching. See you again in my next episode. Bye. I love you.